Wakati. Interacting to your marriage. Intimate. Just my friend Hannah Mate. Where am Madame for? Mr. Usiam, Hannah Martina for 4 good years. Our maintain. That is what I say. Just this week, I don't know say a man down and say, when there's a move, you cry me way to my mother, my bread. Let me brother friend for the friend. Hello, sister. My husband. Relax. Me
hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. Multimedia that said Mediane I'm strong Poleeno. There is your first time over channel where our darama na or subscribe na or click a bell notification is in a bear. Anytime be able to post a video behind you get it straight. And you said your bahaswa a trending stuff and your ma a trend no social media and the bro most of the times exclusives. And see Yabahano. There is this story trending, Joyce Blessing and then Nicholas sense. We are both not happy about it, and I say, and you'll be at the say breakup ever relationship, but entity here started saying and say breakup be about Genya, you know, young say, about me posting no say and tenacity. Now you making sure that the story is credible, yeah, and then the bit me account from be an account and see ya sort a two form what I say, ya so a two form na you teach him no ya pen pekeke course and yeah try say you better some family members to find out what's really happening. Publicity stunts and accident, but unfortunately it seems what is happening as there is a breakup. But what we can talk about and I said the intimate can say in as much as a breakup say Obani Chiti and I say we say there. We don't know whether it's true or not. But the anima can say there is a breakup and we are hoping to say and semi brain go forward train were coming and semi brain but yeah bomb is a year but 2 years. You say Katrema and a synchra omoko. So definitely One obi etna and tafo cry na say and you for most of the times they fight and see say relationship and to qua is here na say baby bama. I don't think so it should be the end of it. Maybe at this juncture and I said manimu ya there a full woman see we advise both partners say enka mo biankasa yeah on social media because say obufu the more you talk and I say ubufuna okasa you cause a lot of damages idea after say ubufun betia kon ubenu ho say me anam can say we and I don't think it's a very good. So me for instance when I get angry I don't talk. Yeah, I don't want to be like me can't assembly me no me home. So when I get angry I just don't talk. I just keep quiet. When I'm okay, I'll come and talk, address the issue how it should be. Because if bufu nam started to make kasa, probably I'll hit someone. It will be naso. Meka kasebia emfata achirobi. So I'm hoping say they will take this advice. Say and manimu ya no de abufu aba. Yeah, we the media crowd say a frame one, our bloggers near a frame one. I'm hoping that they don't talk. Yeah, when we call and pick here, you be bisa, you bisa also at the over cano, and only a be barney a train once. Yeah, because when you can, the moment I be bisa or become once, we will just post it for your fans to also know, say, assembly by, you're reaching up to you, and this is what you're talking about. And see, they also have to get it right. And see, we hoping, and some be say, bar. And the menu say now a phone yaw dear be no. We advise both parties not to talk. Okay, video, yeah. I think is Joyce Blessing. Nukuno no nyabana both ye. And it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot of mess, and I don't know what to talk about, but imu no, it's a relationship. I say our ready I just will and a better tea na a cork a crave in I say there is a little problem, maybe a problem no, and you boom because a 50% boom is gradual process. Matisse say, and then mathematics no. Mostly when you're in a relationship, I don't think that you have to use it as a weapon or as something be out the being and so say we are can win a way say no, it's not good. In a relationship you shouldn't be, you understand, ma so no kwa bontin pi because kwa bontin obu ho a wa worry no kra na ya because e ka no nko anko anware e ka no nko a nka wo worry na wo no nka what I say, relationship na woman. A call no qua and count fie unqua na usu. And tisano any possible means be on number fast or be condemning relationship. I will condemn. So I would just advise you know say and you maybe say no. If it's 2 year mubia said they are 2 year banning in your beman. We are hoping say ye between never for no at Tanasam no so not peace. Abba. Anya here crying and crowd. So how are the children gonna feel? Say be a me papa and ya want you about social media, me papa say me mom say no, we don't want to hear that. Pacho you hope you say busia for no ne omunyina betenase na baby a yedan omodato. Thank you for watching Poleeno Multimedia once again. You can follow us on social media. On Instagram, Poleeno_com. On Facebook, Poleeno Entertainment News. And on our website, Poleeno.com. Yeah, get all the gist and news. Thank you for watching. My name, I'm Strong Poleeno. Bye-bye.
And I do ben night. Maybe free a juma ben no move fiena. My brother friends saw them palana. Mr. My misanishry because I hire an omoko bassa, my misanishry. And Tinra, and I don't know if I sat here now, only 4 minutes. Tell her, do me free, do my back, then you do fear than 90. But I know about the phone. But you are doing more party. What won't you? What kinds of baggage in a movie? Oh, yeah, it's a good I'm telling you. Why no problem? I'm on. me no cancer.
Man can
police station.
okay, so we fight. We meeting your heart.
They've joined India.